The next point which I wanted to touch was that, right now when we talk about content creation companies in India, there are a very few names, like TVF is one of them. AIB was a very popular name. Filter Copy, obviously everyone knows. And other people are, individual people playing. But now even the individual guys are trying to start companies of their own, trying to build up small scale production houses. So content, as you said, right now, like Filter Copy is also recruiting 250 people under its banner. So do you think, like, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, it would be close to impossible for someone who is like sitting at home to blow up on the internet? What happens right now, that individual content creators, they just out of nowhere they come and then they gain a certain following and people know them. But with the scale at which this industry is progressing, 5 years from now, the standard would be such that there would be an entry barrier, that you cannot just record from your phone and become a big star. Do you think that's happening, or the internet has that capacity to absorb everyone within itself?
See, as of now, I think there are a lot of companies, yes, and they are creating a lot of content, yes. But I still feel that, with user generating content, uh, you know, which is getting so popular these days thanks to TikTok, I don't think that, I think there's going to be a clear differentiation between creating content for entertainment, which is basically you leave up to guys like us. We'll create like big budgeted web series and short videos, which, which will have big stars and, which will entertain people uh, through big budget, IPs. But I still feel that thanks to Instagram Reels, thanks to TikTok, we have, like, now everyone wants to be an influencer. Now everyone wants to create content and just put it out. So such platforms are increasing, and the people are getting a chance to put out their content. So I don't think that individual content creators are going to have a problem, even in future, of creating their own content and putting it out there, because it's just growing. I feel uh, earlier, yes, there was TVF. Earlier, yes, there was Filter Copy. But now, if you see, TVF has grown, Filter Copy has grown, but the individual content creators, the number of individual content creators has also grown. I
Yeah,
mean, a lot,
yeah.
like they make their own YouTube videos, they make their own TikTok videos, and and they kind of cater to a separate audience, and the TVF caters to a separate audience, and a Filter Copy caters to a separate audience, right?
Yeah,
So everyone needs to find their niche and kind of stick to that, and create a loyal base of followers, and then I think there's place for everyone
yeah.
in this industry. Why not?
I remember, yeah, there was this quote which said that individual content creators do not compete with companies; they coexist with them. It's like everyone has their own
Exactly.
segment, everyone has their. So yeah,
Exactly.